Formatting worksheets in MS Excel. Part 5. Formatting a worksheet. Now we will see the several ways of formatting to improve the layout of a worksheet. This worksheet is formatted by taking the following steps. Step 1. Enter the data as given in the shown worksheet. Step 2. Select the range of cells from A1 to E1. Step 3. Click the Merge and Center button in the Formatting toolbar. Step 4. Change the font color, font style, bold and font size for the heading. GKJ Home Appliance Limited, either by using appropriate buttons on the Formatting toolbar or by using options under the Font tab of the Format Cells dialog box. Step 5. Apply a similar kind of formatting for the subheading Sales Report. Let the size of the subheading be a little smaller than the heading. Step 6. Now, select range of cells from A3 to E3. Change the font color and font style of the text inside the cells. Click the Center Alignment buttons on the Formatting toolbar or choose an appropriate option under the Alignment tab of Format Cells dialog box to center align the text. Step 7. Select the range of cells from C3 to E3. Under the Alignment tab of the Format Cells dialog box, click and drag the text line to an appropriate degree to rotate the text. Step 8. Select range of cells from C4 to E7. To place a comma between thousands, click the Comma Style button 3 on the Formatting toolbar or check the Use 1000 Separator checkbox under the Number tab of the Format Cells dialog box. This also introduces a decimal point in the number values. Step 9. Add different background colors to the cells, either by using the Fill Color button on the Formatting toolbar or by using the options under the Patterns tab of the Format Cells dialog box. Thus, after applying the formatting, we get the final worksheet as shown here. Another important thing to remember is that using the Format Painter button on the standard toolbar, you can apply the formatting style of one text to another.